Welcome to day 6 of JavaScript question. Today we will be solving filter elements from array. It says given an integer array and a filtering function, return the filtered array. The filtering function takes two arguments, the array element and index, and filter array should only contain the elements from the array for which the expression of mapping function evaluates to a truthy value. And what is a truthy value? It is a value where boolean of it returns true. For example, we have array 0, 10, 20, 30 and a function greater than 10 which returns n is greater than 10. So we get output of filtered array only 20 and 30. Also, it says we cannot use the built-in array.filter function. So let's get started. First create an empty filtered array. Now let's loop over the array. And if we get true from the mapping function, we just push the current element to the filtered array. That's it. And in the end, just return filtered array. Let's submit it. And it works. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such content. See ya.